What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Toyota Sequoia. This is a TRD Pro edition, and today we're going to be replacing the remote battery. All right, to replace the remote battery, it's pretty simple. We're going to flip the remote over, and at the bottom of it, we have this sliding switch here. And what that's going to allow us to do is remove the emergency key. That's what we need to do first. So the sliding switch, we're going to move it over to the left with one finger, and then we're going to pull the emergency key out. Now that gives us access to this little slot that's like right in the middle of the remote, okay? We're gonna get a small flathead screwdriver and we're gonna put it in that slot. I'm gonna put it in at an angle, and I'm going to twist or pry the remote open, okay? It just opens up, splits in half just like this. And we're gonna hold the remote like, you're gonna wanna hold it like this, okay? Or you can take this whole thing out, okay? But just a little word of caution, when you take this thing apart, all these buttons get loose. So just get ready for them to all fall out, or you can hold it like this and they won't come out at all. Go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver, and we're just gonna pry the remote out of the little holder. And I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size the battery is. So here is our new battery, okay? The size is a CR2450, and notice the positive sign here. It's going to be facing out when we put it back into the key fob, like that. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I went ahead and left a link down there. It takes you to Amazon. I'll just take you to get some batteries. You need some. They're pretty cheap on Amazon, so have a look at that. But the next step is just to go ahead and get the other half of the controller and just start at the top and click it all back together, okay? You know you got it back together right when you get the emergency key and you slide it back in and it clicks in and it feels all good. And that's pretty much it. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like, drop me a comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.